Doctors won't tell you this, but these 9 changes can drop your A1c in just 30 days. So, let's talk about A1c and why it's so important in diabetes management. A1c is a measure of your average blood sugar levels over the past 2 to 3 months, and it's a critical indicator of how well you're managing your diabetes. The goal is to keep it as low as possible, and I'm going to show you how to do just that in just 30 short days. When it comes to managing diabetes, A1c is the gold standard. It's the number that your doctor is going to look at to determine whether your diabetes is under control or not. And the good news is that with a few simple changes, you can lower your A1c and take control of your health. One of the biggest challenges people face when trying to lower their A1c is sticking to a diet that works. We've all been there. We start off strong, but then we fall back into old habits. Or we try a fad diet that promises quick results, but doesn't deliver. Or we just don't know what to eat in the first place. And then there's medication adherence. We know we need to take our meds, but it's easy to forget or miss a dose. Or we don't like the side effects, so we stop taking them altogether. We've all been there. We've all struggled to make the changes we need to make to lower our A1c. But the good news is that it's not impossible. In fact, it's a lot simpler than you think. So, let's talk about the simple steps you can take to lower your A1c in just 30 days. The first step is to focus on your diet. Number 1. Eliminate added sugars. One of the most powerful ways to lower your A1c is to cut out added sugars. These sugars hide in almost everything, from your morning coffee creamer to packaged snacks, leading to constant blood sugar spikes. When you eliminate them, you're not just avoiding empty calories, you're stopping one of the biggest triggers of insulin resistance. Instead, replace added sugars with natural sweeteners like whole fruits, which provide fiber to slow sugar absorption. This simple change can help stabilize your blood sugar and make a noticeable difference in your A1c levels. Number 2. Focus whole nutrient-dense foods. Switching to whole nutrient-dense foods is a game changer for blood sugar control. Foods that are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, such as vegetables, lean proteins, nuts, and seeds, help balance your blood sugar naturally. Unlike processed foods that cause rapid glucose spikes, these nutrient-packed options work with your body to improve insulin sensitivity. By filling your plate with a variety of real, unprocessed ingredients, you're fueling your cells with what they need to function optimally, making it easier to bring down your A1c. Number 3. Take a short walk after meals. Incorporating a short walk after your meals can be a simple yet effective strategy to lower your A1c. It doesn't require intense exercise. Even a 10 to 15-minute stroll can help your muscles absorb more glucose from the bloodstream, preventing blood sugar spikes. This post-meal movement helps your digestive system work more efficiently and uses up excess glucose, giving your body an easy, natural way to lower blood sugar levels. Over time, this habit can have a significant impact on bringing down your A1c. Number 4. Drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated is often overlooked, but plays a key role in keeping your A1c levels in check. Water helps your kidneys flush out excess glucose through urine, preventing it from building up in your bloodstream. When you're dehydrated, your blood sugar concentration increases, making it harder for your body to regulate glucose levels. By drinking plenty of water throughout the day, you support your body's natural detoxification process and help maintain steady blood sugar levels. Number 5. Monitoring your blood sugar levels. Monitoring your blood sugar levels is also essential. By tracking your levels, you'll be able to identify patterns and make changes to your diet and exercise routine accordingly. One of the simplest ways to monitor your levels is to check them first thing in the morning and before bed. This will give you a baseline reading and help you track how your diet and exercise routine are affecting your levels. Another strategy is to check your levels after meals to see how different foods affect your levels. This will help you identify which foods to avoid and which ones to include in your diet. This awareness helps you identify problem areas and make necessary changes before your A1c has a chance to rise. By actively tracking your blood sugar, you gain better control and can take immediate steps to stabilize it, ultimately leading to lower A1c levels over time. Number 6. Stress management. Managing your stress levels may be one of the most effective yet underestimated methods for lowering A1c. Chronic stress triggers the release of hormones like cortisol, which can increase blood sugar levels and make insulin less effective. It's a cycle that can easily sabotage your efforts, even if your diet and exercise are on point. Practicing mindfulness techniques like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or yoga can help lower stress and reduce cortisol spikes. By keeping stress in check, you're not only protecting your mental health, but also supporting better glucose control, which can significantly impact your A1c. Number 7. Fiber-rich foods. Increasing your intake of fiber-rich foods is a powerful way to help stabilize blood sugar and bring down your A1c. Foods high in fiber, such as legumes, whole grains, and leafy greens, slow the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream. This results in fewer blood sugar spikes and improved insulin sensitivity. Soluble fiber, in particular, can even help reduce cholesterol levels, adding another layer of heart health benefits. By incorporating more fiber into your meals, you create a buffer against rapid glucose changes, making it easier to maintain steady levels and lower your A1c naturally. Number 8. Getting enough sleep. Prioritizing quality sleep can be a game changer for lowering your A1c. When you don't get enough sleep, your body becomes more resistant to insulin, leading to higher blood sugar levels the next day. Even a few nights of poor sleep can disrupt glucose metabolism and make it harder to manage your blood sugar effectively. Deep, restorative sleep helps regulate hormones, reduce stress, and repair your body, all of which contribute to better insulin sensitivity. By setting a consistent sleep schedule and creating a calming bedtime routine, you can give your body the rest it needs to stabilize blood sugar and improve your A1c. Number 9. Supplements. Incorporating specific supplements into your routine may offer an additional boost in your efforts to lower A1c. Supplements like berberine, magnesium, or cinnamon have shown promise in supporting healthy blood sugar levels. Berberine, for example, has been found to be as effective as some medications in reducing glucose levels, while magnesium helps improve insulin sensitivity. However, it's important to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any supplement, especially if you're already on medication. When used correctly, supplements can complement your diet and lifestyle changes, helping you gain better control of your blood sugar and effectively lowering your A1c. Studies have shown the powerful impact that simple changes can make on blood sugar levels. For instance, research published in the Diabetes Care Journal found that taking a short walk after meals can significantly reduce blood sugar spikes by up to 30%. This is because light physical activity helps the muscles absorb glucose from the bloodstream more efficiently. Another study from the Journal of Clinical Sleep Medicine linked poor sleep quality with higher blood sugar levels, highlighting how even small improvements in your sleep routine can help lower your A1c. By grounding your tips in scientific evidence, you not only make them more credible, but also give viewers a clear understanding of the proven benefits behind each strategy. Stick with these tips for a full month, and you'll be amazed at the progress you can make in lowering your A1c. These small changes are so much more effective when you see them in action. Simple swaps and easy movements add up over time, and as you stay consistent, you'll start seeing results. You can also check out my other video that talks about getting high blood sugar without eating sugar. We want to hear from you. Share your experiences below in the comments below, and like this video, remember to turn on the notification bell.